Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Manscaped subscription. If you have any kind of subscription on Manscaped, then how you can cancel. So all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Go to the official website of Manscaped at manscaped.com. Required to log into your Manscaped account by providing your username and password. Look for the account menu on the page. Click on Manage Plan from the various options available. Scroll down the page till you find the Cancel Plan option. Click on Cancel Plan and follow the other instructions they provide. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel Manscaped subscription via email. If you are unable to cancel your Manscaped subscription via online or no longer remember your account details, then you can cancel your subscription by sending them an email. Go to the default email app you use on your device. Compose an email and at the recipient tab, add support@manscaped.com. You can select Request to cancel my Manscaped subscription as the subject of your email. In the email, provide the reason for your cancellation and other important details related to your account that they might require to cancel your subscription. Click on Send when you are done. By following these two methods, you will be able to cancel your Manscaped subscription anytime you want. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your subscription on Manscaped. If you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.